Hello there, and welcome to the third installment on our project titled Addressing On-Farm Antimicrobial Drug Use Practices through a Community of Practice-Based Approach. In this video, we will be sharing a project overview in order to provide some orientation to our background and our methods. And this project, again, is presented by a team of researchers representing the University of California Division of Agriculture and Natural Resources. Antimicrobial resistance, which is the ability of a pathogen to survive exposure to an antimicrobial treatment that was previously effective, is a major public health challenge. And antimicrobial use in agriculture contributes to the development of antimicrobial resistance. For example, sublethal doses of antimicrobials present selective pressure on microbes, which then favors those microbes that are resistant. By law in California, veterinarians oversee the use of antimicrobials in livestock through established protocols, and farm owners or employees play the role of identifying individual animals for treatment and administering antimicrobials based on veterinary protocols. Values, social trust, and personal experience are all factors that can influence antimicrobial use or the prescription of antibiotics. And clearly, these factors can also influence a wide range of health-related decision-making. This process of decision-making may influence or detract from established antimicrobial use protocols and regulations. So our overarching project goal was to improve professional development of farm owners and farm employees in order to address effective and appropriate use of antibiotics, to address disease reduction strategies, and to promote animal health within dairy and small ruminant operations in California. To accomplish this goal, we used professional development strategies for farm employees and managers that move beyond episodic workshops or trainings where there's direct knowledge transfer. Instead, we employed professional development strategies that seek to understand and acknowledge the individual's values, social trust, and personal experience. Because we understand that this is essential to improving the effective and appropriate use of antibiotics. The strategy we employed is a community of practice approach. Communities of practice, or COPs, are groups of people who share a concern or passion, interact regularly to discuss their practice, and to strategize how to improve. COPs value ideas, are collaborative, and focus on helping address issues that are important to the individuals, thus taking advantage of the expertise and the investment of individual workers. This project used COPs to help improve decision-making behaviors of farm owners, managers, and employees regarding the judicious use of antimicrobials and relevant disease reduction or prevention strategies. Overall, we implemented 5 separate communities of practice. 3 were with dairy cattle operations and 2 with sheep operations, all in the state of California. The COPs met during the workday, and the meetings were typically 45 to 60 minutes in length, separated by about 3 to 5 weeks in time. And over the course of the project, the groups participated in between 4 and 7 COP meetings. Project researchers were present at all community of practice meetings. In the next video, we'll give you a more in-depth introduction to communities of practice. And then in those videos that follow, members of our research team will share specific outcomes from our case studies. We would like to acknowledge the funding provided by the Antimicrobial Use and Stewardship Branch of the California Department of Food and Agriculture. To give special thanks to all of the agricultural workers and livestock operation owners for their participation. Thank you.